Today we're going to learn why leaves change color. And I'm going to tell you this. I wrote down a little note about it. Why do leaves change color? Well, when leaves lose chlorophyll, when the leaves lose chlorophyll, they change color because the chlorophyll makes them green. And when the leaf turns brown, it's officially dead.
Mm-hmm. And then what happens in the wintertime with the trees?
In the wintertime, the leaves, they fall off and go down to the ground, and then the snow covers them up, and soon there's no more leaves here, and it's bare.
Mm-hmm.
And some people think the tree dies in the winter, but that's not true. What really happens is the tree loses all its leaves, and then it sleeps the rest of the winter.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of like a hibernation, isn't it? It sleeps, and it has stored food that it can use over the winter time. So what is the true color of the leaf?
The true color is actually the fall colors.
Mm-hmm. And it's
Believe
just,
it or not.
right, and it's just the chlorophyll that makes it look green during the summer. Yeah. Right? Very cool. So I just want to show you our maple tree. We actually discovered something on our maple tree. Look at these black spots everywhere. Do you remember what that was called?
No.
So it's called black tar spot that we have on our maple tree here. And do you remember what we learned about it?
That actually it's a disease to the leaves.
Mm-hmm. It's actually a fungus. It's a fungal disease. You can really see it on these ones. It's a fungal disease, and it will produce spores and can infect other trees. But actually, and we were looking at it closely, so what did you notice when you used the magnifying glass?
That it's like this brown dot with a bunch of black tiny dots.
Mm-hmm. It's very interesting. So it's a fungus, and actually as long as you can get rid of all of the fungus, it doesn't actually hurt the tree. It only hurts the leaves. So we're hoping that maybe if we get rid of all of these leaves with a black tar fungus, that it'll be okay. So what else did you observe?
Well, another thing about the cool maple leaves is the veins.
Mm-hmm. They are really pretty, aren't they? So what do the veins do?
Well, so let's pretend this is not a tree leaf. So the maple tree has these giant roots under the ground, and the roots suck up the water, and it goes through the trunk, then through one of the branches, and then it goes through these branches, and then finally through the stem, and then in all of those veins, and that's how the tree stays alive and gets water.
Mm-hmm, that's right. And so in the leaf, that's how it makes its food, doesn't it? What's that process of the food making for the tree, or the leaf?
Photosynthesis.
Yep.
And over here, this tree died probably because of that black,
That one actually got hit by lightning, believe it or not, that tree. But we kept it in our yard because we really like that we can use it for the animals. They can use this
like
tree.
Woodpecker hole. There's like 3 woodpecker holes.
Yep. So we keep this tree because really the animals
Actually,
really
like
like it.
4 woodpecker holes, because we've got one there, and then 2 up there.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you, Alexis, for sharing with us the whole process of why the leaves change color.
See you next time.
Bye.